How to check in flight with Expedia. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually check in your flight on Expedia. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to actually check in your flight with Expedia, all you need to do is simply first of all open the Expedia application. Then once you launch the Expedia app, you will basically see this type of interface. If you want to check your flights, first of all you want to come to the trips, and if you've booked any of the flights, you'll simply find those flights over here. Or if it's not over here, then you can simply search for that booking with your itinerary number. So just click on find a booking option and then make sure to actually enter your itinerary number, which is right over here. Once you enter your itinerary number, just click on the continue button and then you'll be able to check in with that specific flight on Expedia. This is simply how you can check in on Expedia with their flight. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.